Hello kids, welcome to the maths class. Today's topic is patterns. The objective of today's learning is to understand the concept of patterns. What are patterns? Patterns are repeating arrangements of shapes, numbers, words, or colors. Patterns are everywhere. Look at this picture. You can see so many different patterns in this picture. Patterns can be seen on the kitchen tiles, on the floor tiles, or even on a simple brick wall. Patterns may be sequenced in many ways like shape and color, color and rotation, number by addition, or number by multiplication, and so on. Now let us discover each pattern and continue it. Now look at this pattern. What can you see? There is one triangle, circle, then rectangle. Again triangle, circle and rectangle. So according to this pattern, what will be the next three figure? According to the pattern, the next figure will be triangle, then circle, and then rectangle. Now the pattern is complete. Now let us discover this pattern. What will be the next figure? A, B, C, D or E? Let us see. In the example above, the black circle is moving around the box in a clockwise direction, each time moving half of the length of the box. This means that the next box in the pattern is box B. Now let us take this example. There are 7 dots in the first figure, then 6 dots, then 5 dots, then 4 dots and then 3 dots. So what will be the next figure? Whether it will be A, B, C, D or E. Let us see. So according to the pattern, it will be A, that is the figure with 2 dots. Now let us take some more examples. Now let us take one example of number patterns. Number patterns have a rule. They can increase or decrease. Let us now see the example that we have taken. It follows which rule? 3, 6, 9, 12, 50. At the numbers carefully, you will see it is following a particular rule. Like 3 is added to the first number to get the next number. Like 3 plus 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. Now 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 3, 13, 14, 15. Now we can easily write the next number. So what is it doing? It is following the rule where we are adding plus 3 to the number. So let us plus 3 to 15, 16, 17, 18. So the next number in the pattern will be 18. Next, after 18, 19, 20, 21. When we added 3 to 18, it is 21. So this is how we do the number patterns. Now let us take one example of word patterns. Let us read the letters carefully. A, B, C, C, B, A, D, E, F, F, E, D. If we look at the letters carefully, we will see that after A, B, C, the next pattern is just the opposite of the letters. Like A, B, C, it is writing over here C, B, A. Again, what comes after C? That is D. D, E, F. Again, D, E, F is written opposite. F, E, D. In the same way, we have to complete the next 3 pattern. Now we know that what comes after F. After F, it is G. So, G, H, I will be the next pattern. G H I. Just write these letters in reverse. I H G. Now we have to write the next three letters after I. What are the next three letters? That is J K L. J K L. In this way, we can continue with the pattern. If we have to write the next pattern after J K L, how we will write? We will just reverse this letters like L, K, J. In this way, we can go on. Let us now take one example of shape patterns. Now, can you see the shapes over here? One triangle is there inside a circle. Then again one triangle is there. Again a triangle inside the circle. Again triangle inside the circle. Again triangle and again triangle inside the circle. So what will be the next one? Will be a simple triangle. Now, what will be the next one? Next one will be a triangle inside the circle. So, you can draw a circle like this. And between that, a triangle. Now again, what will come next? Again the simple triangle. In this way, you can complete the shape patterns.
Now, let us recall what we have learnt today. We have learnt that patterns are repeating arrangements of shapes, colors, numbers or words. To solve the patterns, we must follow some steps. Step 1 is to observe the given shapes, numbers, letters or figures carefully. Step 2 is to follow the rule of the pattern. Step 3 is to complete the given pattern. I hope kids you have understood the concept of pattern. Now complete the pages that has been given to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.